Saturday morning, June the 3rd. It's just gone 7 a.m. and I'm with some of the Cittadella people. In front of me is Roberto Penzo. He's got the Black Canyon there, you can see. We've got a guy dressed up as the world champion there, and I think it's Emanuele with the very nice wheeler, 101, or the new one. And oh, we've got another wheeler over here. He's got the aero one. What else have we got here? Lapine, I think it is, I'm not sure. Oh, it's Scapin, he's lost some of the lettering. Yeah, really good level of equipment. Reason why I'm here is that today is the Grappa bike day, and they're expecting 8,000 cyclists to go go up Grappa, and they've closed the road off, so I thought this might be a bit of a novelty. So it's my 8th time in it's my 8th time that I'm doing Grappa, so we'll see how we go. It's my 4th day in a row of riding, so I'm hoping I'll do okay. This is Roberto Penzo over here. I'll get a film of him. Ciao Roberto.
Ciao, ciao.
Ho detto questo è Roberto Penzo. This is Roberto Penzo. He's very good at photography as well, apart from riding. Very solid riders. Yeah, like last time the first time we rode together, we covered 60 k's in the first 2 hours. So it was a pretty solid speed. Okay, we'll talk to you a little bit later. I got Gianmarco in front of me. Headwind. Oh. The main drag in Bassano. You can see the mountains are nice and clear. Some nice roses again. Thanks of Grappa. Lovely morning, except for this fairly strong headwind. I suspected. We're almost an hour ahead of everybody else. They've done that to avoid the big group. We've got a time rider, Eclipse, and a Bianchi. See the main road? Right here. Some beautiful roses. And here he is with his big aero wheeler. Fa commento in inglese per gli amici. I think this is where the climb starts. Just settle in, take it easy. We've got some 29 k's of climbing to do, so I don't want to cook myself and I want to stay with the group, so I'm just going to back it off. More beautiful gardens, very nice. If only it was like this all the way up, it'd be nice. This is where the climbing really starts. We should be getting some 11 k's at 9%. What fun. A couple of rides up ahead. You guys have passed me, and a few ahead. Monte Grappa bike day. Nine to 11%. Around mid 10k now. Quick view of the scenery here. Switchback number 3. Beautiful. You can see a few villas down there. Oops. Now to catch them again. Of the nice Willia outfits. Thank God for the 34. I'm now up at nearly 800 meters, and I don't know if I've finished with that hard section, but it's a lot easier now, that's for sure. Good morning, buongiorno.
Hola, buongiorno. Bene.
The downhill section that I was talking about before, and yeah, so far so good. The air temperature has dropped, I think, so I'm glad I've got my wind cheater, what do you call it, spray jacket. Looks like the fun and games is finished.